Hey everybody, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. So we are at Dollar General. It is May 2nd. Let's get into some 5 off 25 deals. Okay, first thing I'm grabbing is some Snuggle softener. These are 2 for $8 and we have a $4 off digital coupon. You can grab the Snuggles, you can grab the dryer sheets, or the all detergent. That's what we have left up there. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some softener. I'm also going to pick up some Gang dryer sheets. So these are priced at $2 and we have a $1 off digital coupon. Okay, so I'm going to grab some more Febreze plugins. These are priced at $5 and we have a $5 off digital coupon when you buy 2. So it's like buying one, getting one free. Next thing I'm grabbing is some Always Discreet liners. These are priced at $3 and we do have a $2 off digital coupon. The final item I'm grabbing is these Oral-B toothbrushes. These are priced at $2 and we do have a $1 off digital coupon. So, alright guys, boom, that is everything that I'm grabbing. I should hit $25 right on the mark and we're gonna go ahead and check out. Alright y'all, so we made it back home from Dollar General. First I want to apologize for my low kind of voice today in store. My Dollar General is like 1 minute away, so I literally just woke up, brushed my teeth, threw some clothes on, and ran to the store real quick and came back. So my day hasn't really even started at all. I'm super tired. I haven't had my cup of coffee yet. So I apologize for the low quality, I guess, because I'm still waking up. So I'm going to go ahead and go through my breakdown one more time with you guys, and then I'll share with you guys my receipt. Go that way. So we picked up 2 Snuggle softeners. Rowdy, I am going to love on you, but you need to like move because you interrupted my video 3 times and we just started filming a minute ago. What is wrong with you? Stay here. Look. Stay here. Stay here. You're gonna get kicked out of the room. Alright guys, sorry for the interruptions. So I picked up 2 Snuggle detergents. 2 Snuggle softeners. These are on sale this week, 2 for $8, and we have a buy 2 get $4 off digital coupon. I also picked up the Gang dryer sheets. These are priced at $2 and we have a $1 off digital coupon. I picked up 2 Febreze refills. These are priced at $5 each and we have a buy 2 get $5 off, again, digital coupon. I also grabbed some Always Discreet liners. These are priced at $3 and we have a $2 off digital coupon. And then for my final item to push me over the $25 mark was the Oral-B toothbrush. This is priced at $2 and we have a $1 off digital coupon. So yes, completely all digital coupon deals. Anybody can do this. Now everything that I grabbed put my total exactly at the $25 mark. And then let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So here is my receipt. Here's all my digital coupons came off. I didn't have any issues at all with my digital coupons. Rowdy, let me. If it's not Annabella, it's you. I see, guys. I'm telling you, my family is just crazy. I can't get through a video. Not even a 5-minute video. Okay, take 3. So here's my receipt. Here's everything that I picked up. Like I said, I did a complete all digital coupon deals. I had no issues at all with any of my coupons coming off. So I hit $25 exactly on the mark and I brought my total all the way down to $7. $7 guys from $25. So that made each item only $1 each and I had a total savings of $19. So hot deal this week at Dollar General. Super happy, super excited with my deals. So I'll actually be going back to Dollar General later on today. My mom, for the first time, has a Saturday off in so long. And she's so excited to finally do a Dollar General deal because she goes by herself and she tried at Family Dollar. And I'm not exactly sure what happened, but she didn't bring her total all the way down where she thought it was going to go. So I'm about to get ready, drink some coffee, wait till the little baby wakes up. And then we'll get ready and go help Grandma do some of her deals for today. So super happy and excited for her, and hopefully everything works out good in those deals as well. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to give this video a like. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what items you guys are grabbing at Dollar General. I'm really curious to see what deals you guys came up with. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.